are going to learn about multiplying polynomials, affectionately called foiling. All right, so we're going to start off with an easy distributing property question. You all know how to do this. We're just going to take this x, multiply it by 2x, take this x, multiply it by 3. You get 2x squared plus 3x. Those are not like terms, so we are done. What's this thing doing over here? Well, my mom always told me that some people like visual models. All right, actually, it wasn't my mom, it was my grad school professor. But imagine we were multiplying a rectangle where one side was x and one side was 2x plus 3. See how this ties in? This little box is going to be 2x squared. This little box is x by 3, so that's going to be 3x. Add those together, you get the same answer. Is that necessary? Probably not, but it might be a little bit more helpful as we get to a real foiling question. Whoa! So all you're going to do here is just double distribute. You're going to take this 3x, you're going to multiply it by 4x, that's 12x squared. X times x is x squared. You're going to take that 3x, you're going to multiply it by positive 1, that's plus 3x. You're going to now take this minus 5, multiply it by 4x, that's negative or minus 20x. Take that minus 5, multiply it by positive 1, and you get negative 5. So why is this called foiling? Well, look what we did. This right here, we multiplied the two first terms together, the 3x and the 4x. This right here, those were the two outer terms. I don't like my O, but you'll live with it. 3x and 1i, these were my two inner terms. And L, those were my two last terms. I don't really know if you need that acronym to help you remember to do it. You just need to multiply everything in the first parentheses by everything in the second, but it's fun to say foil. Foil. Anyway, we're not done here. We actually have to combine the 3x and then minus 20x. So that turns into 12x squared minus 17x minus 5. There's our answer. What does my array model look like here? Well, I made one side of the rectangle 3x minus 5. I made one side 4x plus 1. And look, each of our little boxes is going to be one of those terms. That's 12x squared. That's 3x. That's 4x times negative 5, so that's negative 20x. And that's negative 5 times 1, which is negative 5. Put them all together, and you get the same answer we got there. Kind of fun, right? So that's foiling. All right, what if I want to get really fancy? A little bit more complicated. Oh, it's 2 terms times 3 terms. Same deal here. You're going to do x times x squared, x times minus 3x, x times minus 4. Then you're going to do 2 times x squared, 2 times minus 3x, 2 times minus 4. I remember I heard one teacher one time called this the claw law. Can you kind of see the claw there? You know, if this was like a big, that's, you can see how that would be like. And there's my body. Okay, I'm not the best artist. Kind of a claw. Anyway, if you do this one out, you're going to get x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 2x squared minus 6x minus 8. And my final answer, look how I grouped them here, saved it on purpose, not just a pretty face. And we get minus 10x minus 8. I probably got that one right, but I went kind of fast. And then before I let this video end, I just want to show you the one, math teacher's pet peeve. They do not like this. A plus b squared does not equal a squared plus b squared. And you know why? Because you have to FOIL this out. It's not a squared plus b squared. It's a plus b times a plus b. FOIL this out. Claw. And you get a squared plus ab plus ba plus b squared. These two are actually like terms in the middle here. So this actually turns out to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So what you don't want to do is forget that middle term, that 2ab. And there you go. And I mean, you've watched this video, so you probably are a FOIL master. Good luck doing some problems on your own. Thanks.